Good morning, children. Welcome to math class. Today we are going to see in chapter 2 measurements about trapezium. Before getting into the topic, I would like to ask you few questions. What is the name of this shape? Yes, it is parallelogram. And what do you know about parallelogram? A parallelogram is a four-sided figure in which the opposite sides are parallel and equal. If one pair of opposite sides, take AB and CD, if they are not equal, how the shape will look like? The shape looks like this. And the name of the shape is trapezium. Now tell me what you know about this shape, that is about trapezium. It has one pair of parallel sides and one pair of non-parallel sides. Parallel sides AB and CD are not equal. Non-parallel sides AD and BC may or may not be equal. If the non-parallel sides AD and BC are equal, we call it as isosceles trapezium. Let's see the definition. Trapezium, a parallelogram with one pair of non-parallel sides, is known as trapezium. Isosceles trapezium. If the non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, that is AD is equal to CB, then it is known as an isosceles trapezium. Let's see the formula to find area of the trapezium. Area of the trapezium equal to half into h into a plus b square units, where h is the distance between the parallel sides and a and b are the length of the parallel sides. Now we are going to see example 2.10. Find the area of the trapezium whose height is 14 cm. So h is given and the parallel sides are 18 cm and 9 cm of length. So the value of A and B are given. Substitute these values in the formula to find area of this trapezium. Now we are going to substitute the values in the formula. Area A is equal to half into the value of h is 14. The value of A and B are 18 and 9. Next step, you remove the bracket by adding 9 and 18. Half into 14 into 27. You cancel this 2 and 14. How many times 2 goes in 14? 7 times. So 7 into 27, 189. So A is equal to 189. Don't forget to write the unit centimeter square. Answer step, area is equal to 189 centimeter square. Let's move on to the next example problem. Exercise 2.12. The area of a trapezium is 828 square centimeter. This is capital A. The value of capital A is 828 square centimeter. If the lengths of its parallel sides are 19.6 centimeter and 16.4 centimeter. So, the value of small a and the value of small b is given. Find the distance between them. So, we need to find the value of h. Substitute the values in the formula. Area of the trapezium, that is 828. So, write 828 equal to half into the value of h we have to find. So, write h into a plus b. The value of a is 19.6 and b is 16.4. Next step, you remove the bracket by adding these two. So 19.6 plus 16.4. 6 plus 4, 10. Keep the decimal point 1. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So 0 that comes after the decimal point has no value. So the answer is 36. So write 1 by 2 into h into 36. Left side you write 828. Now you cancel this 2 and 36. How many times 2 goes in 36? 18 times. So h you leave it in right hand side and 18 you bring it to this side. Since 18 is multiplied here, when you bring this 18 to this side, we have to divide 828 by 18. So using 2 table, you cancel these 2. How many times 2 goes in 18? 9. How many times 2 goes in 828? 4, 1, 4. How many times 9 goes in 414? 46 times. So the value of h is 46. Write the unit centimeter. Only for area you have to write centimeter square. How to write the square unit. For other things you have to write only the unit, that is centimeter. Don't forget to write the answer statement. Answer: distance between the parallel lines equal to 46 centimeter. Few problems I have given you as homework. In exercise 2.3, second problem, find the area of trapezium whose parallel sides are 24 centimeter and 20 centimeter. So, the value of A and B are given. And the distance between them is 15 centimeter. So, what is this? This is the value of h. So, substitute these values in the formula and find the area. Fourth problem, the area of trapezium is 1080 square centimeter. So, this is capital A. If the lengths of its parallel sides are 55.6 centimeter and 34.4 centimeter, find the distance between them. So, the value of small a and small b are given and you are asked to find the value of h. First problem, find the missing values. Height is given, small a is given, b is given, and you are asked to find area. Substitute these values in the formula and find area. Step by step you do the problem. Don't write only the answer. Second problem similar to that. You substitute the values of a and b and the value of capital A and find the value of h. So I hope you all will do it correctly. Thank you.